Hey there TikTok enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a full guide on something many of you have been asking about. How to edit a TikTok video after you've already posted it. Whether you want to fix a mistake, add some flair, or just enhance your video, we've got you covered. So let's jump right in. Now step 1 is saving the video. First things first, open your TikTok app and navigate to the video you want to edit. You'll find it in your profile under My Videos. Tap the 3 dots on the right side of your video. You'll see an option to save video. Go ahead and do that. This creates a copy of your original video. Step 2 is creating a new post. Now we're going to make a new post with your saved video. Head back to the main TikTok creation screen and tap the plus icon to create a new video. Select the saved video you just made, and it's going to look exactly like your original video. And for step 3 is free editing. This is where the magic happens. You can now edit your video just like any other TikTok post before you post it. Add text, stickers, music, or any changes you desire. Step 4 is posting your updated video. Once you're satisfied with your edits, add a new caption if needed, and you're ready to go. Hit that next button, add your description and hashtags, choose your audience settings, and finally, post your updated TikTok. As for me, I added a few emoji stickers here and a new music or a new sound. And then I'm going ahead and put a sample caption here, or a custom caption rather. Then I'm gonna choose the audience to only you can view this post. And that's how you edit a TikTok video after you've posted it. It's a game changer when it comes to perfecting your content. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Have any questions or want more TikTok tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy TikTok